For those who are here from the robot building video, hey, welcome. So this is just a small behind the scenes video on how I made this D20. In order to decide which prompt I'm going to stick to while building my bot, I needed a dice in the first place. I remembered that in Blender there is this primitive called icosphere. So you just need to take yourself this icosphere, subdivide it by 1, and there you have it. But we still need numbers. Now you just need to put on 20 numbers, which is a bit tedious and time consuming if you try to put the numbers in the middle of each face. But it's worth it. With the numbers in place, I use them as a boolean for the dice itself. This cuts out one object from another, if the option is set to difference. So now the numbers are recessed. Then the dice was ready to be printed out. After printing, it was time for some cleaning and curing. Since I didn't know what size would be better to use, I made two different ones. And after some sanding, the dice were ready to get painted. As the base color, I decided on black, while I painted the indented numbers a nice gold. And here you have it, finished dice.